my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi and in today's video I'll show you all how you can get 3 different effortless hairstyles using a very simple and effective tool from Syska. It is their 5-in-1 multi-styling kit and it's super easy to get these hairstyles, so let's begin. So this 5-in-1 multi-styling kit from Syska comes with 5 different attachments: the straightener, a crimper, a curler attachment, a conical curler barrel and a brush comb attachment. So this is the main body of the tool and here you get 2 buttons with which it just goes in and out. So I would simply attach the conical curler attachment here, so it's fixed, and then I'll place this brush comb attachment over it. So basically I've just washed my hair, and just to take down the frizz, what I'll do is I'll just attach this plug now to the main plug and let this heat. Just switching this on and letting it heat for like 2 to 3 minutes. Till then I just comb my hair. So basically I'll be using this brush comb attachment just to take down the frizziness, and then we can move ahead with the styling. This section of my hair is so much more frizz free as in comparison to this side, so I'll just quickly do the same thing on this side as well. And then the first hairstyle is the classic pin down look, and for that I'll be attaching the straightener attachment to the main body. So again doing the same thing, and it's attached, and then we can just switch the power on and let it heat. This 5-in-1 multi-styling kit from Syska does have ceramic coating plates, so straightening is very easy with this straightener, plus it does not tug or pull your hair. That is like the most important thing that I look for in a straightener. It's really good one. So I'll just let this heat. I would also add some heat protecting mousse to my hair, mousse to the length of my hair and the ends. So once this is heated, I'll be working in a small section. So here I've taken a small one, which I would again divide in 2 sections and simply straighten my hair. I just have to place the hair right in the middle and slightly pressing the straightener and taking it downwards. You see, it was so easy and it's hardly even taking me any time, plus you can just go over it. And the best part about this straightener is that it is not tugging or pulling my hair, and it's like extremely smooth to work with. See the difference? This is straight and this is not. So that's like the classic pin down hair look. It looks super cute, straight hair, and I can also take just some sections like that, and you can also use some bobby pins to slightly take some section of hair back and pin them right here. This just looks super cute. The classic pin down straight hair look, I personally love this, and this just looks super cute. You can also, you know, take all of your hair out and this looks just bomb. I really love it. It's super cute. So for the second hairstyle, I'll be showing you all how to get those loose beachy curls, and for that I've attached the 19mm curling attachment to the main body and it's heating right now. So I'll just let this heat. What I have to do is simply take this curler and point it downwards the other side and place your hair spirally inside this way. Just wrap it around the wand and you can just use the clip to hold it and just wait for like 10 seconds, and then you can just leave the curl and simply leave the curl and just press it like this. You see how beautiful the curl is. So repeating the same. So you can see the curls are super pretty, and doing the same on the rest of the hair. So you see, you get these beautiful bouncy curls using the hair color attachment in the Siska kit. But I like to do is just finger comb this down or use a brush like this and open the curls lightly. So this gives me those beachy waves and that just looks super cute. So I'm just simply running my brush to open up the curls. That just looks super cute. So that's how you can easily get those voluminous beachy waves, and I personally love this hairstyle on me too. Moving on to hairstyle number 3, I'll show you all how to get that messy bun, and for that I'm attaching to the main body the straightener attachment. I just have to push this in and it is attached. I have removed the straightener plates and in its place I'll be attaching the crimper plates instead and then switch it on. It's super easy. You just have to like open this up and slide this in and it just gets secured. Once your plates are all in, you just have to switch this on and let the crimper heat. Now I'm using the crimper to get some volume on my crown as it's super flat, right? And when I just take all of my hair back, this section would not look that flattering. So just as to add some volume right here, I'll be crimping my hair. It's very easy to crimp. Just simply place the section and slightly move outwards while crimping, and I'm doing just on the crown area because I need to add some volume. You can see the crimp right there. Just randomly taking some sections and crimping them. You can also go up in this way. You see, it was very easy to get these crimps, and this would help me add some volume when I just take the crown section back. So I would simply take this section away from my face and just, you know, use the finger in this way. You see, it just adds so much more volume and it looks very pretty, and we want that messy look, so I am not going very symmetrical because I like it to be messy. And then just securing the back of my head with some bobby pins, and then you can just pull some strands again from the crown area just as to balance the volume. You see, already it started to look so good, so I would just leave these strands off my face here, and then the hair which is left behind, we would wrap it into a messy bun. Taking this hair up and twisting and wrapping it in a circular way like that, and then with a rubber band just tying it in place. Then you can just spread the bun out. So this is looking quite messy at the moment. Even my haircut is such that all of my hair comes out, but using the Judah pins we would just secure these hair in place. So for the front part of my hair from the previous curls, I just like to remove some section of hair just like randomly, and what I would do is switch this plate. So I would just press and attach the conical curler attachment and switch the power on. So with this conical curler you can get like those ringlet kind of hairstyle. So basically that is what I want here. I don't want these loose curls, so I would just let that heat. Just take this small section of my hair and then pointing the conical curler downwards, I would simply wrap my hair. So the farther and looser you wrap your hair around the curler, the looser your ringlets would be, and the more tighter you wrap your hair, your ringlets would be more tighter. So yes, you see how beautiful this looks. You see how pretty these ringlets are. You can also open these up if you want to. You can like coil them together again the way you like it. Yes, that is the third hairstyle of a messy bun and some loose ringlets. I really love this look. It's like the super classic one, and that goes with any Indian outfit or even sari. And in this way you can use this 5-in-1 multi-styling kit from Siska to do different hairstyles with just one tool. It's super simple to use and effective. I really love how compact and easy this styling kit is, and plus it's super easy to travel with. It's very travel friendly, and you can find all of the product links mentioned in the description box to get your hands on this product from Siska. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then hit that like button and do subscribe to join the trend fam, and I shall meet you all soon in my next video. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.